In this presentation, I'm going to show you the best ways you can use LinkedIn to promote your business and increase sales. LinkedIn has become a robust social media platform for connecting professionals all over the globe. While many people associate it with finding new jobs and advancing their career, it can also be a valuable tool for businesses to expand their network and increase sales. Here are the best ways to help you gain more traction on LinkedIn. Highlight your business on your profile. Your personal profile can still be a potent tool that can help you promote your business. LinkedIn provides you with the opportunity to present yourself as the person behind the company and build a professional reputation. If you want to increase sales, make sure that your personal profile includes links to your business website and details your business activities. Frequently update. With your company page, make sure to post news and updates to inform your professional community about the recent developments of your business. It is essential that you do this often and strategically. Include relevant updates like recently completed projects, new cooperation, creative tips, and new features and products. Use high-quality visuals. Everything from your logo to your profile image needs to be high quality. You want to take advantage of the limited freedom that LinkedIn offers in regards to the visuals you place on your company page. When you post updates, be sure to edit the images that are shown with it to make the most out of your visual content. Participate in groups. To promote your business, you need to be active in existing groups and interact with others. Make sure that you are providing valuable insight when you engage in conversations and avoid spamming the groups with posts about your business. You want to be able to create an actual conversation with others that creates real ties. If you can't find a group to participate in, consider starting a group that revolves around your specific interests. Interact with your network. Despite having a more professional focus, LinkedIn is still a social platform, which means you need to engage with other people if you want to be successful. LinkedIn will help you connect and interact with the right people by providing you with circles of connectivity. Like any other marketing channel, you need to make an effort to understand how LinkedIn can best work for you. If you want to see real results, learn about the features and tools available and implement these best practices in your LinkedIn marketing strategy.